Ever wonder how professional streamers have such high quality webcam feed? How do professionals do Zoom meeting? Do you want to improve your camera quality for streaming or Zoom meetings? If yes, then this is how you can do this. If you have a Canon DSLR camera, then all you need is to download EOS Webcam Utility application on your computer. To do so, open Chrome browser, search for EOS Webcam Utility. Go to Canon official website. Now scroll down and download the software according to your operating system. Once the download is completed, open and run the setup.exe. Follow the installation instruction and once done, click on finish. Now you need to open Zoom application or any video conferencing application. Go to settings. In video, change your camera from integrated camera to EOS Webcam Utility. Now turn on your camera, switch it to movie mode and set movie recording quality to MP4 and size to Full HD 50 fps and you are all done. Now simply use compatible USB cable to connect your camera to your computer. Now enjoy high quality crisp DSLR feed in your Zoom meetings. You can use EOS Webcam Utility with number of conferencing application and streaming softwares. However, if you are tight on budget or don't have DSLR camera, we got a solution for you as well. You can use your mobile as a webcam. Yes, you heard it right. To do so, you just need to download an app on your phone. Open Google Play Store on your Android phone and search for Droid Cam. This application is developed by Dev47 Apps. Now install the application on your phone. Once installation is completed, open the application. Now follow the instructions and give all the necessary permissions that are required. Once done, you will see few details like Wi-Fi IP, device IP, Droid Cam port and IP cam access. Through these details, you can access camera feed of your mobile phone. Now to connect with computer, you need to download Droid Cam Windows client. Open Chrome browser and search for Droid Cam by Dev47 Apps. From their site, download the Windows client. Once download is completed, run the setup and install the application. Click on finish and you will find Droid Cam icon on your desktop. Now double click on it and open the application. You will find different options to connect. You can connect over Wi-Fi or you can connect over USB or you can create your own Wi-Fi server. Now to connect over Wi-Fi, you need to enter your device IP and Droid Cam port. Select video and audio option and then click on start. To connect over USB, you need to enable USB debugging in your mobile. To do so, open Settings of your mobile. Now scroll down at the end and open About Phone. Then open Software Information, and in there tap 7 times on Build Number. It will ask you to enter mobile password or pattern, and now you have enabled developer option. Now go back to the main setting page. Scroll at the end and you will see the developer option. Sometimes this developer option is hidden under Advanced. Open it and in developer option search for USB debugging. Once you find USB debugging, enable it and you are all done. Now open the Droid Cam application on your phone, connect the USB cable, swipe down and under USB setting, select MIDI. Now in Windows client, you will see your mobile model. Simply click on Start and you will get connected. Now in your video conferencing app settings, under camera, select Droid Cam Source 2. Now enjoy HD quality of your mobile camera via USB connection.